Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install MinGW on Windows 10 operating system. Let's get started. MinGW is used to compile C and C++ programs. You need to search for MinGW. Just go to the fast website, click on the green download tab here. Once you click on the download tab, the download has been started. And it's already finished. I'm going to click the MinGW get setup.exe file. Let me minimize the browser. I'm going to click on install. So this is the location where MinGW will be installed. Click on continue. I'm just gonna click on continue button, and it's gonna show you these options as you can see here. And these options are MinGW developer tool, MinGW 32 base, MinGW GCC, and so on. What you need to do, right click on every packages and say mark for installation. Once you have done with these markings, click on the installation and click apply changes. Click apply, and these packages are going to install. It is going to take some time. So all the MinGW packages are installed. Let me just click on close, and every package is green as you can see. And click I'm just gonna close the window. Let's just check. Let me open the file explorer. Let me click on C drive, local disk. As you can see, MinGW directory is created. Click on MinGW folder, go inside the bin folder, and copy this path up to bin, and I'm just gonna add it to my environment variable. Right click on your start button, search for system, advanced system setting, environment variable, choose the path, environment variable in system variable, click edit, click on new and paste it. click OK, OK, and OK, and close the window. Let's just check MinGW is working or not. Open your command prompt. We're gonna check the version of G++, minus minus version. Press enter, and which will show you the version of G++. As you can see, 6.3.0.